welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a refrigerator slash freezer organization video with you guys. This is just a simple video of my tips and tricks and how I organize my refrigerator and my freezer on a budget and in a small fridge. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. So as you guys can see, my refrigerator and freezer need some serious help and organization. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I organize the refrigerator and freezer. Let's do this. Anytime I clean my refrigerator and freezer, I always like to take out old products that we haven't used in over 6 months and toss them, as well as go through our inventory and see what we need. These are some of our favorite popsicles. These are the Outshine watermelon popsicles. They are so good. If you guys haven't seen any of my Trader Joe's hauls, I will link that in the iCard, but these are the best chocolate covered strawberries I have ever had. They're in the frozen section at Trader Joe's and they are covered in dark chocolate. They are to die for. Now that we're in the refrigerator section, I always keep our beverages at the very top of the fridge, like our milk and our orange juice and coconut milk, things like that. In that top right corner there, I keep all of our creamers and cold brew, as well as our peanut butter and jelly, syrup, and whipped cream. I like having that at eye level so it's easy to access. And then I'm just organizing this snack bin. I keep one snack bin in my refrigerator. I have some Perfect bars, some yogurt squeezers, and some string cheese. Next, I'm just going to take all of my LaCroix drinks out of the box and I'm going to put them in this bin that I have from IKEA. I usually meal prep on Sundays, and so I like to have our fresh produce pre-washed and put in the fridge. I use the Trader Joe's fruit and vegetable wash. I love it. It's super affordable. Anytime I buy a watermelon, I always cut it up and put it in a Ziploc bag. Okay, so like I said, I keep our beverages at the top of the fridge. I keep our snack bin, our fruit at the middle section of the fridge, and then I have eggs in a bin, drinks, some beef jerky, some salami, and then I have our cheese and deli. And then I also keep our yogurt and our leftovers and my insulin container, and then I have our greens. And then I also keep wraps and meat at the very bottom of the fridge. And then on the side here, we keep our butter and cheese, and then like I said, coffee station and all of our condiments. So I like to keep all of our snacks at the top of the freezer, and then I like to keep our fruit for smoothies and some breakfast items at the middle section, as well as some frozen lunch meals. And then I like having our meat and our rice at the bottom of the fridge. And then I also keep like garlic pasta and ravioli, some dessert items, and vegetables at the very bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this organization video. Leave me a comment down below of something that you always have in your refrigerator. I would love to know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.